cut across to India Today's Shiv Arur, who joins me on this subject. Again, somebody who tracks drones very closely. Shiv, is there merit in what Rahul Gandhi says, or is this a misguided missile?
Gaurav, Rahul Gandhi, in his effort to make an important point about manufacturing, about, technology, about cutting-edge technology in the country, ironically, he has chosen the one sector in the country where actual progress is being made. Rahul Gandhi perhaps was not briefed or doesn't know that the Indian drone ecosystem in the last 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, a decade, has made incredible progress. Not only are they building drones and supplying them to the military, they're also, creating the software, the electronics that actually convert these drones into intelligent machines. Manufacturing a drone by itself is actually quite a rudimentary exercise. It is the optics, the software, the ability for them to function autonomously. That's what the secret sauce is. And at a time when China's reputation, the reputation of its products, the quality of its products, the global suspicion over Chinese hardware and software is at a peak, India has actually been able to hit back really, really well. There's a huge market out there, and many of these drone startups, there are about 400 drone startups right now, which are, doing various kinds of business with government agencies. It's only a matter of time before they become much larger and fill the void at a time when the entire world is suspicious of Chinese technology. So at a time like this, at a time when millions of dollars in contracts are being given to many of these Indian startups supplying drones to the military and government agencies, and these are, by the way, startups, Gaurav, which are run by young Indians, people in their 20s and 30s, young engineers who are taking the risk in doing things like this, for them to look at a video of Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, brandishing, a Chinese drone, which is actually banned in India, DJI, which is, admittedly much larger, but banned because their technology is suspect, is quite dispiriting. I actually happened to speak over the last couple of days with some, friends who work in drone companies, and they were perplexed. They say that in the last few years, things have actually moved well in the drone ecosystem. Of course, there are many more things that need to happen. Of course, there needs to be, much greater market access in terms of government agencies. But the government has done things to lift up the drone ecosystem.
Okay.
There are the drone Didis. There are usage of completely made in India drones for land surveying and ocean survey in different parts of the country. The army has transferred the job that was done by helicopters in dropping equipment, arms, ammunition, fuel in forward areas is now being done by heavy duty drones in Ladakh. Perhaps our politicians need to be better briefed in their selection of topics.
Let me bring in Kamru Chaudhary. Shiv, for the moment, many thanks.